Yo, what is up guys? In today's video we are gonna be doing an unboxing video on the Xiaomi Smart Plug 2. So what this actually allows you to do is to turn on and off your devices wherever you are on the world, as long as this is connected to Wi-Fi and you have your phone with the Xiaomi app. As well, you will see the data or the electricity statistics, as you can see over here. So basically how much energy is your device using. So if you want to test out how much electricity your lamp is drawing from the socket, this is a smart thing to do. Basically I will use this to turn on and off a lamp that is, let's say, remotely far away from me. So let's unbox this and let's see what is inside over here. So we got like a little instruction over here. Of course we don't need those. The socket itself straight away. Let me take it out. And that's it for the box. That's all it's in there. So let's see how it looks like. And this as well is a fairly cheap device. Very nice to use to basically get a feeling of a smart home, I would say. So let me rip through this. Alright, so this is the plug itself. What do we got? Max 3680 watts. So that's plenty. This is a EU socket, so it's 230 volts, 16 amperes, 50-60 Hz, so standard for the EU sockets over here. So let's plug it in and set it up in the Xiaomi app. So let's plug the device in for the first time, just like so. Let's wait for it to turn on. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. It's blinking orange, which means it's waiting for the connection. So basically now I will go to the Xiaomi app. So now I'm in the Xiaomi app. I will go to the plus icon, add device. And as you can see, it already shows up. I have my Wi-Fi on and Bluetooth on, so it can find the device. And I will basically log in into my internet. So the device is uploading information. This will take like a few seconds. And as you can see, we can create a room to set it up. And let's say it will be office. Okay, let's leave the name as it is. Agree to the device information or agreements. Now the indicator is keeping blue, which means it's connecting, or I'm sorry, it's keeping blue, it's connected successfully. So I will show you one more time, then we'll do some tests. So here you can see it lighted on blue, and here are the informations about it. So as you could see over here, it was blinking orange, awaiting connection, keeping blue, connected successfully, keeping orange, network error, blinking blue is connecting or updating. So now I simply connected a lamp to this device over here, and we'll go back to the app and see how it looks like. Before we do that, I will try to use this. As you can see, the manual function works as well. So if you want to connect it, or turn it on and off manually, this button over here works just fine for that. And also, if you're struggling to connect the device, you always have this QR code over here, which you can use in the app. So basically you don't go for the add device, you go for scan code. So as you can see, we are back over here in the Xiaomi new Smart Plug 2. And as you can see, the current power is 83 watts, which is a lot because this is an old lamp with non-LED lights on it. So you can use this to like track whatever you need for the power consumption and so on. like your PC, for example, your TV, to see how much power it actually consumes. So this is a very awesome way over here, or feature. Now, as we knew, I can just turn on and off this light, so I cannot show it to you, but you can actually hear the plug working when I keep my phone close. We have turn on delay, we can set up, we have timer, we can like set up smart scenes. Whether you go in your home, this turns on and on. And of course, this is the usability for like all the Xiaomi Smart Home stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. I do quite a lot of Xiaomi stuff recently because they are simple to use at my home for what I need, and they are fairly cheap. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.